Children, good morning. Open fresh page of revision register. Put today's date and put heading Maths Revision 2. Yesterday we had done one revision. Today also we are going to do Maths Revision. Every day I am going to give you few questions so that you practice it daily. Heading written. Question number 1. Listen very carefully when I am dictating the questions. I am going to repeat. Okay? 2 times, 3 times. You don't interrupt, otherwise you will not be able to hear me clearly. Question number 1, and write fast. Convert fraction into mixed numbers. Convert fractions into mixed number. Write quickly. Convert fraction into mixed number. First sum is 22 upon 7. 22 upon 7. Stop yawning, Divya. 22 upon 7. Number 2, 35 upon 8. 35 upon 8. I am repeating the question again. Question 1 is convert fraction into mixed number. A, 22 upon 7. B, 35 upon 8. Question number 2. Convert mixed number into improper fraction. Convert mixed numbers into improper fraction. Convert mixed number into improper fraction. Number 1, 3 whole 7 upon 9. You all know how to write 3 whole. 3 whole means 3 will be written in between and then 7 upon 9. 3 whole 7 upon 9. Number 2, 3 whole 1 upon 4. 3 whole 1 upon 4. First is 3 whole 7 upon 9. Second is 3 whole 1 upon 4. I am repeating question 2 again. Convert mixed numbers into improper fraction. Number 1, 3 whole 7 upon 9. Number 2, 3 whole 1 upon 4. Question number 3. Find the LCM. Find the LCM using prime factorization method. Using prime factorization method. Find the LCM using prime factorization method. 30 and 75. 30, 30 and 75, 75. 30 and 75. Now you know how to take out LCM. First we will take out the factors of 30 separately by drawing lines. Then we will take out factors of 75 separately by drawing lines. Then we will take out the common factors, and in LCM we take the common factors as well as the leftover factors also. Okay, we will multiply and get the answer. Got it? And in question number 1 was convert fraction into mixed numbers. How we convert fraction into mixed numbers? There is one formula, that is whole number into denominator plus numerator upon denominator. This is the formula to convert mixed number into improper. Yes, and to convert fraction into mixed, we divide. Okay, so in question number 1 you have to divide and you will get the answer. In question number 2 you have to use the formula of whole number into denominator plus numerator upon denominator. Okay, question number 3, find the LCM. You have to find out the LCM of both the numbers separately using the line method. Okay, and then take the common factors plus the uncommon factors also. Now next, question number 4. Write question number 4 now. Find the HCF. Find the HCF using common factor method. Find the HCF using common factor method. Thirty-six and 252. 36 and 252. 36 and, sit straight Manvi. 36 and 252. Got it? How we find HCF? Common method. We write the factors of 36, then we will write the factors of 252. We will find out the common factors, and in HCF we only multiply the common factors. We do not multiply uncommon factors. Yes? Okay. Question number 5. Last question of today's revision, maths. Question number 5. Right. The LCM of two numbers, the LCM of two numbers is, the LCM of two numbers is 2079, is 2079, and HCF, and HCF is 27. I am repeating, the LCM of two numbers is 2079 and HCF is 27. Full stop. If one number is 189, if one number is 189, find the other number. Find the other number. Question mark. I'm repeating the question. The LCM of two numbers is 2079 and HCF is 27. If one number is 189, find the other number. Now, how you solve this sum? There is one formula we discussed and we had done the sum also related to this. What was the formula? HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. Yes. Yes. So first you will write LCM, then you will write HCF, then one of the number you will write, another number you have to find out, you will divide and get the answer. Okay. The sums which I have given to you, all these types of sums we have already done. So I hope the method is clear to everybody and you all will be able to solve these sums. Okay? Alright. I am giving you 10 minutes. I am giving you only 10 to 15 minutes to solve these sums in maths revision register before our next class starts. Alright?